In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut copy and paste objects in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. Let's start inside Confluence. From your workspace, go to Add Page and create a new page. This gives you a clean spot to work and lets you jump into the Draw.io editor. Once your page is ready and the editor opens, click into the diagram canvas so your selections and commands apply to the diagram itself. Cutting, copying, and pasting are easiest with keyboard shortcuts. First, select the object or objects you want to work with. You can click a single shape, drag a selection box around multiple items, or hold Shift and click to add or remove items from your selection. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus X to cut, Ctrl plus C to copy, and Ctrl plus V to paste. On a Mac, use CMD plus X, CMD plus C, and CMD plus V. Cut removes the objects from their current spot and places them on your clipboard, while copy leaves the originals in place. Paste inserts a duplicate where your cursor is focused on the canvas. A few quick tips. If you're pasting and the objects appear slightly offset, that's normal. Draw.io staggers pasted items so they don't land exactly on top of the originals. If you don't see your pasted objects, zoom out or use the scroll bars. They might be just outside the current view. When selecting connected shapes, the connectors will usually travel with the shapes. If a connector doesn't move as expected, select it along with the shapes before cutting or copying. For precise control, nudge pasted items with the arrow keys while they're still selected. If you prefer using the menu, you can do the same actions without shortcuts. Select your objects, then go to the Edit menu at the top of the Draw.io editor and choose Copy, Paste, or Cut. This is handy if your browser or system has conflicting shortcuts, or if you just like clicking through the interface. The menu options perform the exact same actions as the keys, so use whichever method feels most comfortable. That's all there is to it. Create a new page in Confluence, open your diagram, select what you need, then cut, copy, and paste using either the keyboard or the edit menu. These basics make reorganizing diagrams, duplicating patterns, and reusing components much faster. When you're finished, return to your page and publish your changes so everyone can see the updated diagram. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming!